Hello there! Let's learn how you can use LongShot AI to create the best software list for a particular category. So from your LongShot dashboard, navigate to Autoblog Workflows, where you would find this View All button. On clicking on it, you will view more workflows. And under the Product section, you will find this Best Product or Software List workflow. On clicking, you would be guided to this page. You can enter the category for which you want to develop the product list. Add some additional context or some tools, and customize the other details. After you're ready, click on Generate. You will then be able to choose from a variety of generated headlines. And on clicking, next the outline of your blog will be generated. The generated outline already has many softwares listed, and you can even add more softwares or remove them here. When you are satisfied with the outline, you can proceed to generate the blog. And just like that, you have the best product list for the specific category. Thank you so much.